an incredibly well-made Tic Tac Pew Pew, and a new way to house your Prusa electronics. It must be a Fan Mail Friday. There you are, welcome back. Yes, it's time for yet again another Fan Mail Friday. People have sent things in, and this is where I get to open them up and share them with you, the community. You're never required to send anything in, but if you choose to do so, the address you can send cool things to is in the description of every video I make. Let's get down to it. I've got 2 envelopes. I've got a package, like a brown box, and I've got like a mailer. This one, oh my gosh, says it's from Hawaiian Thor. Do not bend. 3D printing nerd. Okay. I'm kind of scared. This is what's in it. Hawaiian Thor. I love it. This is back in June. Joel, thanks for the previous shout out and this upcoming one. And since you sent Hawaiian Thor 13 a sticker, you get a sticker. Sincerely, Ryan of Hawaiian Thor 13. Well, thanks, Ryan. That is a friggin' glorious sticker. I mean, honestly, well done. I like it. Thank you. Next up, ooh, this. Oh, this is from Gina. You know her as the author and maintainer of Octoprint. Wow! Yes, yes. Oh. This is amazing. Hey, Joel, as promised, some stickers for you. Enjoy. Gina, I've got an Octoprint sticker and an Octoprint sticker, and look at that. And then Gina's, I have the power. Oh, beautiful. Gina, you're a wonderful human. I hurt your face. Thank you so, so much. Next, this. This is from, there's no name.
I am McLovin.
It's from Mobile, Alabama. Pre-opened, my wife screened this one. Inside, we have to 3D printing nerd. Oh, this is, this is in a Creality Cloud box or something like that. I like how they repurposed this. And inside, inside, got a letter, something wrapped up, some Tic Tacs, oh, and a self-addressed stamped envelope, and I have a name, Oliver. All right, let's take a look. Let's open the thing called letter. Oh, there's things falling out. However, a $5 bill, a $5 US dollar, $5 US dollar, Lincoln dollar.
What?
Whatever. Hi, Joel, this is Oliver, and I am 12, and I love all the videos you put out. Oliver, you are a champion. This is a Tic Tac gun, and I found it on Thingiverse, and I have instructions on how to operate it in the second paper. This was printed using a modified Ender 3 Pro at 0.2 millimeter layer height, 5 walls, print speed 17 millimeters per second. So, filament used Sparkle Green and True Blue from Hatchbox. Links to files, there's the Thingiverse. TTG2 by EasyG on Thingiverse. Just look at these instructions. Yeah, let's see. Look at these instructions. Glorious. Absolutely wonderful, Oliver. You've outdone yourself.
Well, you must be very proud of yourself.
Scoot aside, box. We've got things to do. Wrapped nicely. Like, just really, really well. Wow. Okay, so this is a Tic Tac Pew Pew. Gotta be careful here on YouTube. Okay, it should meet up just like that. Load it into the breech and it works. It works. Boy, the print is absolutely gorgeous though. Absolutely gorgeous. Great job on this print. Great job on this build. Wow. 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 You did send in a self-addressed stamped envelope. We do have $5 to take care of. Let's get down to business first things first. Oliver, it makes sense. It makes all the sense in the world. You did send in a Tic Tac Pew Pew, so I'm giving you some Safety Joel stickers. Oliver, you get stickers. Last and honestly, certainly not least, this box from Brian. Well, Brian, let's do this. It does say Fan Mail Friday. Inside, we have packing material. Ooh, there is stuff in here. I'm gonna take it out gently. There's also stuff in here, which means there's stuff in here. What's this? What's this? So, that's 100 US dollars, Brian. 100. Here is a note describing things, and this is Mammoth Prusa Mark III Einzig case replacement. Dear Joel, love the channel, longtime fan. Thank you. I recently had to work on my Prusa Mark III's Plus and had to deal with the electronics. The stock box that Prusa gives you with the printer is way too small and a pain to work with. I looked at a few other boxes out there, but none fit my needs, so I sat down in Fusion 360 and designed up a new box and called it the Mammoth Case. With my case, here are the problems I'm attempting to solve. Ready? Original case, too cramped, a pain to mount to the frame, did not have good wire management, and was a pain to get into. Those are the 4 things that Brian was trying to solve. So design goals. Has to print without supports, easy to mount to the frame, better wire management, uses threaded metal inserts or square M3 nuts, easy to get into, the less screws the better, modular supports can be upgraded if needed without having to reprint everything, and no zip ties. Great goals. The case is available online for anyone to download and print, and it's over at Printables. That's fantastic. I would love to hear what you think about the case, and if you have any feedback, I've enclosed a few things for you. In the package you'll find, oops, almost tripped. Assuming I didn't forget to put everything in, the following. Some money for Seattle Children's Hospital. Bam! 3 prints of my new Mammoth case and Prusa Galaxy Black PLA. 2 of them are version 1, and 1 is version 2. The primary difference between version 1 and version 2 is that version 2 supports the Pi 0, Pi 02, which you can't find anywhere anyway now, but that's a good idea. I figured you could use version 2 for yourself and then give away the 2 version 1s of the cases, maybe have a contest to raffle them off with money going to charity. I've also closed the printed version of the link above so you have the guide on how to assemble. That's right here. All the parts are packed inside each case, including an extra little present. Keep up the good work and high five. Brian. Well, I've got instructions here, and there's a few more instructions on the back. There's $100. Let's get into these cases here. So this is V2. This is V2. Okay, I see. Oh boy, this is, well, first of all, stellar print. Hot diggity. Okay, and that's held on, oh wait, there are things inside. Okay, so screws. Yeah, that looks like a Pac-Man. Arcadeplastics.com. Okay. Everything looks like it lines up a little bit better. Cool. Man, that is a nice fit too. Super nice fit. Well, Brian, you didn't include a self-addressed stamped envelope, but you did send in $100 for the kids. I'm gonna find a way to get some stickers to you.
I will look for you. I will find you.
Let's take care of business. First things first. Brian, these cases are wonderful. I'll do my best to get the V2 on one of my Mark III machines and see what I can do about giving away the other V1s. I love that idea. Thanks for giving $100 to the kids, man. That is insane. You are a blessed soul. Thank you so much. I found you some cool stickers. Brian, you get stickers. As I pack up here, I just want to say thank you to everybody that sent something in. I know not everybody needs to, nor do they want to, but if you choose to do so, that address is in the description of every video I make, and thank you for doing that. We had a lot of fun today, and I'm really happy I got to open these up, and I hope you had a wonderful time as well, because if you made it this far, you're awesome. Don't forget to hug each other more, fight for a cause you believe in, print all the things! And as always, high five.